What's going on YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel. If you haven't already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as smash the like button. It helps our content reach a wider audience and we greatly appreciate the support. So for today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you why every small business owner, I don't care if you've been in business for 10 years, if you just started your business yesterday, why every small business needs to have the Divi corporate MasterCard. Now, one of the reasons why every business should have this is because it's one of the easiest accounts to get approved for, even if you just started your business. So one of the barriers that a lot of business owners face when you're trying to go to commercial banks like American Express or Chase, usually if you don't have the best credit, if you don't have that prime credit, you're not going to be able to get access to different credit products to be able to operate your business. Now, one of the advantages with Divi is that they accept everyone. So their business model is incorporating all different types of businesses, whether it's more experienced businesses or startup businesses. And another great thing is that Divi does help with building business credit. So it will report to your business credit profile. Now here, I'm just logged into my account. And as you can see, I have a $50,000 limit. Now it is like a charge card. So it is a monthly spend limit. So you can't revolve a balance, at least not yet. Now, depending on your business, I do know a lot of business owners who could actually leverage this type of flow. Let's say if you're in the catering or if you have an online retail store where you're turning over merchandise, and you might just need to leverage this for 4 weeks, 3 weeks, whatever your turnover is. You could use this to scale your business because it gives you more spending power. So if you have an online e-commerce type of business where you're selling products, you need money for inventory because you have a fast turnover and it makes sense, then you could really leverage it. Otherwise, if you just have short-term business expenses, this is really what it's going to be used for. So Divi could definitely help you get off the ground. Now, are you going to be able to use this to go and buy real estate and long-term assets? Probably not. There's other products out there for that, but this is a great entry level type of product. And again, there's no hard credit checks. So they're not even going to be hard pulling your credit whatsoever. They use a platform called Plaid, which looks into your banking activity. Now, recently, they just implemented a credit builder account. So if you don't qualify for an unsecured credit limit, you can still apply for their credit builder account. And what they'll do is they'll reassess you after the first 3 months to see if they can upgrade you to an unsecured credit account. So not only will Divi give you access to more spending power to grow and scale your business, but they also report on the credit reporting agency. So just imagine having a $50,000 credit limit reporting on your business credit profile. That's going to open up the door for more different types of lending products because you have a high limit reporting already. So this can help you with establishing your business credit so that later down the road, when your business is more established and seasoned, at least you have some data reporting. So Divi is a great entry level product. Now, Divi also has insights for you to track the spend within your business. Now, as your business starts to grow, you usually are going to take on more expenses. Now, I can't remember all the different subscriptions that I have on a monthly basis. Now, having a way to track that, because it might not seem like a lot, but like $30, $20, $15, when you add up the subscriptions over time, it can add up. So this is a good way to kind of track where your money is going. So let's say, you signed up for a subscription, or maybe you signed up for a free trial and you forgot to cancel it and it just keeps billing your account. These little $30, $15, if you're running a business, you might not notice that type of expense coming out of your bank account. But if you have something like Divi, and there's a lot of other expense management platforms out there, but Divi has it all integrated. So you can see exactly who the merchant is, what the amount is, the percentage of this particular merchant to your overall spend, and they give you an aggregate amount. And you can look at that over time, over a certain period, and it just gives you clearer insight into where your money is going. Assuming that you run all of your business expenses through your Divi card, is just much easier for you to be able to track. Now, another great benefit about Divi is that it integrates directly into your accounting system. Now, and this is something that I surprisingly don't hear that much, especially in the finance space here on YouTube. Not too many people talking about QuickBooks or, different accounting software. So there's a lot of different accounting softwares out there. But if you're trying to get business funding, or if you're just a business owner, QuickBooks or some type of accounting software is mandatory, because once you start filing taxes and you have to account for every little expense, all the money that's coming into your business, having something like QuickBooks is going to be able to give you better insight on your overall business picture. In addition, when you're going for funding at commercial lenders, generally they're going to want to see a balance sheet, a profit and loss, a statement of cash flows. So different types of statements and reports you can get automatic through QuickBooks. So you don't have to track it in Excel. You don't have to try to remember what you spent money on or what money came into your business. If you have QuickBooks, it's a way for you to be organized. That's really what it's about. Before you even sign up with Divi, I would recommend that you just sign up with QuickBooks. I've dropped a link in the description. QuickBooks is one of the most underrated tools that you need for your business, let alone just for getting funded for different types of loan products. Because what you'll find is that when you go to commercial lenders, they're going to require either QuickBooks or accounting integration, or they're going to require these different statements like your balance sheet, profit and loss statements, things like that. So just having that at the ready is just going to help you be better prepared for getting funded down the road. So as I mentioned, Divi does act more like a charge card. So you're not going to be able to use this long term or carry a balance or anything like that. So you're not going to pay any interest. But what you can do is create different budgets, right? So if you have a specific budget for a specific type of expense within your business, so whether that's marketing expense, if you have a food expense, gasoline expense, whatever the different categories of your business is, you can create different budgets, and you could actually create separate cards, virtual cards for each of these bucket types. So just to recap all of the reasons why every business should have the Divi MasterCard. For one, you're going to be able to get access to spending power to grow and scale your business, regardless of the age of your business, how much revenue you have coming in, what your credit score is. They don't even run your personal credit. So you can get this day one after organizing your business. So before you actually apply for Divi, you're going to want to have QuickBooks. You're going to want to have a business checking account. And you're going to want to have registration with the Secretary of State where your business is located. So you're going to need your EIN as well from the IRS. But once you get those four things, then I would say you're ready to apply for the Divi MasterCard. It will help you with building business credit. And this is going to be a bank issued account. So that's going to hold weight in terms of the financial trade lines that are going to be reporting under your business. You can get a relatively higher limit than traditional credit cards. So they're going to give you very high limits. As you can see, this is a $50,000 limit. Divi also integrates with your accounting software. So it's a better way to manage the transactions going in and out of your business instead of trying to keep track of receipts or try to remember, what income came in, what expenses came out. You get a clear picture of what's going on in your business. And that's very valuable, because if you don't know where your money's going, that could influence your profitability, right? If you don't know ways of saving money within your business, or areas where, you might not be deploying your resources effectively, you can get those type of insights through the Divi platform. Now, if anyone's interested in applying, I've dropped a link in the description of the video. Anyways, that's all I wanted to cover in today's video. Till next time, take it easy, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.